Hello everyone, my name is Supriya Samudra and my today's topic is a conditional statements in Java. The conditional statements in Java are used to make a decision and execute a decision. Different types of a block of code based on specific conditions. The four condition statements in Java are if else, else if, ladder, and a switch. The if else statement execute a different code based on the conditions is true or false. The switch statement evaluates an expression and executes the code corresponding to the matching case. The if statement is executes a block of code. If a specified condition is true, then else executes a block of code. If the condition is a false, then else if is a test new condition. If the first condition is a false, then switch executes one of many alternatives block of a code based on the evaluation of an expressions. The conditional statements are also known as decision statements or selections. Selection statements, they are a key part of Java's control structure. Here is an example of how many conditional statements can be used to find out if someone is old enough to vote. The declare variables for age and voting age, initialize the variables to the values of the person's age, and the voting age is a limit. The use of conditional statements to determine if the person's age is greater than or equal to the voting age is a limit. Then what is a conditional statement? Conditional control statements in Java. The conditional control statements in Java are the execution of a block of a code in branch to a specific code dependent on a certain conditions. These statements are also known as decision statements or selection statements in Java. What is the condition statement? A conditional statement describes the relationship between two events based on certain conditions. The Java supports three types of statements. These statements are expression statements, methods, variables, call methods, and create objects. The declaration statements declare variables. Control flow statements determines the order that statements are executed. Then why it is called the conditionals? The conditional sentences are natural language sentences that express that one thing is contingent on something else. Example: if the rains, the picnic will be executed. They are called because the impact of the main clause of the sentence. It is conditional on the dependent clause. The if statement. The if statement is the most simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether of a certain statements or a block of statements will be executed or not. That if a certain condition is true, then a block of statement is executed, otherwise not. The syntax of if statement is if in parenthesis condition curly braces statement to execute if condition is true curly braces close. Here the condition after evaluation will be either true or false. True or false. The boolean values, if the value is true, then it will execute the block of statements under if not provide, then curly braces, and after if condition, then by default if statement will be the one statement to be the inside of a block. This is all about the conditional statements in Java. Thank you.